Cadillac in the traffic and we gon' choke him out. Reason why that nigga face so fat, got twin nuts in his mouth. I can backdoor any nigga, but I ain't no slime, no. I can take your bitch and give her back, still call her my hoe. Why that nigga drop that whack ass song? Please leave me alone. 30 shots, nail straight from my Glock, send straight to his top. Make sure it's in 4K, cause I know his head gon' pop. How you call yourself a CEO? You can't pay your artist. Last time that we talked, you was crying, said your ass was starving, threw you a couple bags. It was sad, you be down bad. I can see all in that fat ass face that you be real mad. You should leave this rapping shit to me and chase a real bag. King's family shit, don't know what the fuck you heard. If them niggas claiming GD, spin that block like 63rd. We spin that block like 63rd. Yeah, we treat that block like 63rd. We treat that block like 63rd. If them niggas claiming GD, spin that block like 63rd. Fat face bitch, need to shut the fuck up, nigga. Talk about my fucking name on no fucking song, nigga. Like you lost your fucking mind, nigga. Must be stupid. Put your fat face on a diet, nigga. You can't eat bullets, you fat face bitch. Fuck all them niggas you named in the fucking end of that dumbass song. Try to fuck again, nigga. Rewrite that shit. Or stick to trying to be a fucking CEO, you dumbass nigga. You can't fucking rap, nigga. And you don't fucking trap, nigga. Had a whole conversation with your ass. You talking about you fucking starving. You asking me for bags, nigga. They know who the fuck I am, nigga. Check the fucking stats. Bitch ass niggas make y'all fucking names by sucking dick in this motherfucker. Why y'all faces be so fucking fat from fucking constantly sucking and shit, riding motherfuckers' dicks. Ain't no disrespect to Lady Paper, was nothing but business. But fuck that broke ass label. Tweedy running a fucking broke ass label. Them niggas don't even pay no fucking artists, nigga. You can't pay me to fucking work for you, nigga. You can never be my CEO, you broke bitch. Tweedy Bird, don't pop your shit to me, nigga. Get your fucking wig took off. This real gangsta shit. This ain't for play.